guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video we will be trying a new combo on my type 4 natural hair using the curly curl cream from Taliah Waajid with the honey whip hydrating mousse from Tgin to achieve a twaid out on this head of hair. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. So I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I used a new mask that I will link in the cards and the description box so that you can check it out afterwards. And I also have a leave-in conditioner in my hair. It was the one from Healthy Kinks Botanicals. I have the rest of the conditioner, well, the leave-in conditioner in my hair. So what I'm going to do is do medium-sized twaids in a brick-like pattern because I want my hair to lay flat. So I am currently sectioning off my hair into that brick pattern. So I will be back when my hair is all sectioned off. Alrighty, so I have my medium-sized section in the back. So I will have about 3 twaids, one over here, one in the middle, and one over the other side. I will start off over here as you're seeing here now, then I will do the rest off camera. Here is what the section is looking like. I don't think I want to add any water just because my hair is already damp from having the leave-in in. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of the curly curl cream. Just use my tangle teaser just to get through the section as well, just to distribute it, well, help to distribute it. Then I will go in with the hydrating mousse, just 1 pump, nothing too extravagant. Maybe another pump. Comb through that again. And now we will begin our twaid. So if this is your first time seeing me or seeing my face and you don't know what a twaid is, it is essentially a half braid or a half plait and a half twist. So I am plaiting or braiding my hair halfway to about here. Then I will join the 2 sections of hair. I will join 2 sections of hair and just do the rest as a twist. And that should create a very unique pattern when it is time to unravel my hair. So here is what the braid and twist or twaid is looking like. I will do the rest off camera and then I'll be back to show you the installed twaids. Alrighty, so I have finished the twaids, and something that I noticed while installing them, I had some product balls on my hand, some small product balls, so I'm not sure what isn't mixing fully well, whether it's the leave-in plus the curly curl cream, but they shouldn't have a problem because they are two creams at the end of the day, or two creamy consistencies, so it shouldn't be a problem. However, it may just be that the leave-in plus the curly curl cream plus the mousse haven't mixed well together. I am curious as to how my hair is going to dry, if I will experience flaking, or I will have dust particles in the air when I unravel my hair, or if I move my hair at any point in time. There are still some balls, well, some little balls on my hands. I don't think the camera will pick it up, so I won't necessarily show, but we will see how the products dry, and we will see whether this combo flakes or not. We will see. But I'm looking forward to seeing my twaid out results. I will pull out these twaids in about 2 to 3 days, just to give my hair a little break, as I usually do. So we will see.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty, so these are my day 4 twaid results. I have been a little hesitant in taking these out because of the product balls that I saw on my hair. I don't know what the twaid out results are going to look like, but we're going to unravel these anyway, because we will see whether this product is a hit or a miss. I will start off with the front part so that you guys can see. Remember, I'm not unraveling with any oil because I want the definition to stay, and quite frankly, there's oil in the curly curl cream and there was oil in the leave-in conditioner. So far it's okay, but I'm seeing things flying all over the place. You're not seeing anything on camera, but I'm seeing the particles flying. Let us continue to see. Still seeing things flying all over, but we'll continue going. Then I will come back with the twaid out results. Alrighty, so these are the results freshly done. I like the results so far, but I'm really hoping that this lasts for the rest of the week until my wash period on Sunday. I don't think it's going to last that long, especially the front part, but if this can prove me wrong, then this can be a great combo to try, because it definitely has my hair feeling really soft and the definition is there. So if there's a combo, another combo that allows my hair to feel hydrated or moisturized and defined, then this is definitely a win in my book. But I will come back in the next few days just to show my results as the days go by, and we will see how my hair response. To be honest, as I said, the first part that I am kind of expecting to start frizzing is the front. To lose definition is definitely the front, but we will see how my hair responds to the products, especially with this climate as the days go by. So stay tuned for those results. Alright, so as predicted, day 1 has a little bit of frizz in the front. Day 2, you are seeing a lot more frizz in the front, and there was frizz in the back that you weren't seeing. Day 3, I didn't go anywhere, but day 4 was when you really saw the frizz, and I didn't really do much with my hair other than put it in the bonnet. So you saw what happened with the combo. Do with that information what you will, and thank you so much for watching.